In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a sketch style, dramatic black and white look in a simple and easy way. This effect gives your footage a bold, high contrast style that looks almost like a graphic novel or hand-drawn sketch. Let's begin. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for Extract. You'll find it under Video Effects inside the Adjust category. Drag the extract effect onto your clip. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel. Inside Extract, you'll see black input level, white input level, and softness. Start by increasing the black input level. You'll notice the darker areas becoming deeper and more solid. Now lower the white input level slightly. This pushes the highlights brighter and increases contrast. As you adjust both controls, you'll see the midtones start disappearing, which creates that sketch style dramatic look. Then now reduce the softness to make the edges sharper and more defined. If you want a cleaner, pure black and white result, you can also add the tint effect and map black to black and white to white. Play the clip and fine tune the values until you get that strong, bold, dramatic contrast. The key is crushing the midtones and emphasizing strong shadows and highlights. And that's it. You now know how to create a sketch style, dramatic black and white look in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.